you download on the Play Store, you download the app, the WINGSLAND S6. Once you get that on, that's one of the first things you do. You download the app for the WINGSLAND, but you don't open it yet. The first thing you do is go to settings, and then you go to your wireless connections, and as you can see here, it says WINGSLAND. It says connected. Good, it's connected to it already. So you have to connect to WINGSLAND. That is important for it to make anything work. Otherwise it won't connect and nothing will happen. But it says status connected, no internet. So we can get out of that there. We've got our internet running. And then you go to your WINGSLAND app, which is this one here. Click on it. Click on it again. There you go. And then the next thing you do is you hit go. Once you do that, it asks you if you want to fly with or without propeller guards. I'm going to go without propeller guards. And as you can see, it's came up, the camera's working. Because if I move the drone around, you'll see a bit of a different image there. You see? Now it just showed me there that we've got lag. That's okay. Next thing you do is go to settings, top right hand corner. And that'll ask you whether you want to fly in beginner mode, safe mode, or expert mode, or intelligent flight mode. So I'm not going to click on any of those, but the important thing is that we go to this mode here, which is calibration. And to calibrate the drone, you have to press the click to calibrate button. You see that? Okay. Tap yes to start the calibration. Okay. Now then, this happened before. Can you see that? It says calibration data connecting. Now nothing is happening. What that tells you is that there's too much metal and stuff around you, so you have to go out to an area that is free of metallic or electromagnetic interference. So let's go outside. Next thing is to go back into the WINGSLAND app here. Now we're outside, and so we'll see how that works. Press go. Okay, do we want to fly without propeller guards? Yes, we do. Okay, and the pictures came up again, so the cameras work, and we do have communication between the Android and the craft. So, but we've still got to calibrate. That's important. So we go back to there. This is calibration. Click to calibrate. Okay. Do you want to calibrate? Yes, please. This is calibration data connecting. This is the problem I've had with this, getting it to get into calibration mode. So it'll just sit like this forever and nothing happens. So you got to be patient and you got to keep doing it.